Hey there, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to fix the common issue of the weather app or widget not working properly on your iPhone or iOS device. Whether it's not updating or displaying the wrong information, I'll guide you through some simple steps to get it back on track. So let's get started. Sometimes the problem could be with the saved locations in your weather app. Open the app and check if any of your saved locations are updating. If not, try removing and re-adding them. To do this, click on the menu icon at the top right of your screen. Select Edit List and proceed to delete your saved locations. You can then search and re-add the locations to potentially fix the issues when the weather app is not updating. If your weather widget is not working properly or not updating, remove it by keeping it selected and tapping Remove Widget. Next, tap and hold any app icon to access your iPhone widgets and re-add the weather widget. In case the weather app or widget is still not working, then this issue may be related to your location services. Open up your iPhone settings. In your privacy and security settings, select Location Services, and make sure your location services are enabled for the weather app. You can set up this option using the app, which will update the weather information and your location data when using the weather app, or to Always, which allows the weather app and widget without having to use the weather app. Head back to your main settings, select General, and under Date and Time, make sure that the Set Automatically option is enabled. This can fix common issues with the weather app. Check if there's a new software update available of your device and download the latest iOS version before restarting your device. This will fix any temporary software bugs and issues with the application that have been fixed with the recent update. Ensure you're using a reliable network connection. Test your average up and download speed to the closest server using a speed testing application such as Speed Test. If you noticed any connection issues, switch your connection from Wi-Fi to cellular or vice versa to fix connection issues with the weather app. These were some of the simple steps to fix the weather app or widget not working properly on your iPhone or iOS device. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and if you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.